All right, words with I. Practice. I'll say the word. You repeat. Tell me the sounds. Tell me the 3 sounds. Okay? This one is sit, sit, sit. Repeat. Sit. Now tell me the 3 sounds. Sit. What are the 3 sounds? S, it, s, it, sit, sit down. Okay? Lip, lip, lip. Repeat. All right, tell me the sounds. Three sounds. Lip, ip. Good. Next one. Rip, rip, rip the paper. Rip. Repeat it. Okay, what are the sounds? Three sounds. Ip, ip. Okay. This one. What are the sounds? Zip, zip, zip. What are the 3 sounds? First one. Z, ip, zip. Okay. Let's do this one. Hip, hip, hip. Repeat hip. What are the sounds in hip? First one. Ip, ip. Okay. What's this? Pin, pin, pin. What are the 3 sounds? Okay. In, in. Last one. Big, big. The elephant is so big. Big. Repeat big. Tell me the 3 sounds. B. Ig. Big. All right. Okay, now letters. Before sounds, and now letters. So listen to the sound and tell me what says the sound. What letter? B, b. What says b? Which one? B. This one. B, b. Okay. What says I? I. Show me. Show me. What says I? This one. I, itch, I. All right. What says k, k? Show me. What letter says k, k? Maybe k. Maybe k. Maybe k. It depends. K, C, K, or CK? All right. What says P, P, P? P. What says Z, Z? Repeat Z. Show me. Oops. Z. Letter Z. Z. What says N? N. 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 Nose. N. Okay. And what says G? G. 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 What letter? Letter G. G. And last one, what says H? 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 Show me. H. H. Hand. Hand. All right. Now you're ready for dictation.